So hello guys, this is a technical drawing unit and these are the equipment that you have to use: the set square, this masking tape or mounting tape, the rubber, the pencil, these are the pencils, this is the HB, and these are the 2H compass, the T-square, this is the T-square, and we have a drawing board that holds your paper. Now directly to the question. This is the section A, the section 1 of it, section a support bracket, and we have to draw it in first angle projection. In first angle projection, we draw the front elevation at the top, and we have the plan at the bottom, and opposite the front elevation we have the end elevation direct. Now, as you can see in our diagram, the block diagram is a support bracket, and we have sectional front elevation along the cutting plane AA. Along the cutting plane AA, we have plane AA. This is the cutting. So meaning that we have the front part would stand here, and we have the end elevation ROB along ROB. This is the ROB, meaning that we have the end here, and our plan is at the top there. So you stand here looking this diagram at the top. So at the front, standing here, you will have several views that you will observe. This is the first view, this one. This is the first face. We have the second face, this one, the cutting. You will see this block, the other side, this one, and the other one. You can't see, but just there you will see it as when you stand at the front elevation, and you will see part of this cylinder at the top. So the end elevation, when you are at the end, you will see this face. This is the first face you will see at the end. You will see this face, this one, this hole, and this cylinder, and you will see this hole, but you won't see the other part, this part of the body of the cylinder. You won't see it. You will only see this hole, this face, two faces, this one and the other one. Those are the only faces that you will see when you are standing at the end. And plan, you will see this cylinder, the whole cylinder, but you will see it as a straight line, this cylinder, and you will see this face, this one, plus these holes. You will see only the four holes, this one, the first one, the second one, the other one you can't see, but it's there, this one, the fourth one. And you will see this part, this cutting, you will see this cutting, and the other cutting is on the other side, and this cutting. We have concluded at our plan. Directly at our drawing, so at front elevation, our top front elevation, this is the front elevation. So our top, we start our first dimension. We draw 78 by 10. This 10 here, this is the 10 also, this 10 also. So our length of 78, you measure 78. You can confirm what our diagram. This is the 78 we have drawn. Exactly 78. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. This is 78. 78 by 10. This is 10. You can see 10 exactly. So after drawing that, we'll come. Already we have drawn this one. We'll come to draw this one, this cutting. The cutting, it is 10. So to get this 10, you can see you have been told this block is divided into two, meaning it is 39 and 39. So we divide this block into two first. So 39, measure 39. This 39, 10, 20, 30, then 9 is here. So this is the cutting. We have divided the block into two parts. This is 39, this part is 39, this part is 39. From here 39, from here 39. So to get this cutting, we measure this this is the center line, that's 39. This is the center line. You can see the center line is represented by long dotted line. Long dotted line, you see, it's long but dotted, long dotted, long dotted. So from our center line, you measure 5 on your left and 5 on the right to make it 10. So to add up to 10, you measure 5. This is 5 and this is 5. You can see 5 is here and 5 is here. So as you measure, it is 10 millimeter or 1 centimeter. 10 exactly. After getting 10, we have drawn this one. Now moving up, we shall, as you can see in the diagram, this is the 70. The 70 is from the down bottom here, means here to here, the center line of this this cylinder. Now, meaning that from the top of the cylinder, we add 70 plus the radius of the larger diameter, the larger circle, to add up to the total width of the dimension, which will be 70. You can do here 70 plus 23, which is 93. The 93 comes after we have added 70. 70 covers from here to the center line, and then from the center line to the top of this cylinder, it is 23, meaning that the diameter of this cylinder, the whole cylinder diameter, it is 46. Now, to get this dimension from here to the tangent of this cylinder, we'll subtract 23 from 70. 70 covers from down to the center line. So we have to subtract from the center line to down to the tangent of this circle to get the remaining dimension from the down. Now, when we subtract 70, we subtract 23, we'll get 47. We measure 47 at our diagram. When you measure 10, 20, 30, 40, then 7, this is 47. That 47, you make a line